What's good? Welcome back to Wealth Net Grow channel. Bitcoin has been rejected from $28,000, and now we are trading at a critical, must-hold level of support. In today's Bitcoin price prediction video, I will show you exactly why losing this specific area can accelerate a move towards the downside, maybe even towards our previous lows. But first of all, what we are going to see, let's go on a lower-term time frame, and let's look what has been happening for the past couple of hours. The entire time Bitcoin is right now seeing this specific push towards downside. Of course, a lot of us, even myself, would agree, this specific price action does look extremely corrective. Very much choppy price action in comparison to what we got the other day on a move towards the upside. And on top of that, even. For example, going with our volume indicator volume for the past couple of hours, extremely low. And going right now, for example, with the 4-hourly time frame on the trading light platform right here, you're going to notice approximately 100 million of volume coming into the market. Approximately 30 million of volume coming into the market. And I would say volume for the past couple of hours right here is simply dying off the entire time Bitcoin is seeing a push towards downside. On top of that open interest, also very much flat. We are not really seeing any brand new money coming or maybe even leaving the market. That is why I would say yes, the price action on Bitcoin looking at this specific push towards downside does look extremely corrective. Which, if I would say we are also trading an area of support, is going to be some kind of a bullish Bitcoin indication. However, I am as of right now still not flipping bullish, expecting already much higher targets. As of right now, I am still holding a short or a sell position for approximately $27,800. And later in the video, I'm going to reveal to you my exact targets, my exact expectations, where I'm going to be taking the profits out of my short position. But nevertheless, I would say that majority of people right now looking at this specific price action of Bitcoin are telling to themselves, it could only be some kind of a retest of our area of support before Bitcoin is actually going to continue its way towards the upside. Yes, the reality is if, for example, we go with the exponential moving averages, we are seeing a cross of our 5200 exponential moving average. However, the trend on the 1-hourly time frame that every trend is still not changing. We are still, as of right now, in an average downtrend on the 1-hourly time frame. Yes, the trend is weakening because we actually got this specific cross right here. But nevertheless, overall, we are still trading in an average downtrend on the 1-hourly time frame. And also another thing that majority of people are not paying attention to is S&P 500 and US 100. Both of them, yes, got another very slight push toward the upside. However, look at the SP 500. We are as of right now trading exactly at the monthly high term time frame area of resistance and US 100. Still as of right now, it's trading at a second level where we do have our golden Fibonacci ratio and also the daily high term time frame area of resistance. So knowing right now that both of those assets are retesting significant areas of resistance and knowing that we are very much correlated, I definitely would not flip extremely bullish on Bitcoin. And I would actually say if both of those assets right here are going to see a rejection towards downside, most probably Bitcoin is actually going to follow. And here pay very close attention. You're going to notice that with the push towards dumps that we have been getting for the past couple of hours right here, we tested the top of our massive horizontal range on the 1-hour time frame, literally almost to the exact dollar accuracy. But we are right now going to do, what if we right now measure the entire bottom price action with the volume, you're going to notice that our value area, our volume support area is going to land at approximately $26,800. So what we can right now say this push towards the upside on Bitcoin, if we are right now going to go lower in the upcoming hours because of the SP 500 and because of the US 100 trading at such a very high and important area of resistance. Of course, we need to pay attention to this specific area of approximately $26,800 because losing our value area low, going back in our horizontal range right here is definitely a significant bearish Bitcoin indication. And all we are going to say right here, it was some kind of a deviation from our horizontal range. Acceptance back in our range is a bearish Bitcoin indication. And of course, only then we can be expecting a push towards thumbs. And the most important thing that you need to pay attention right here is that we do not have any major support areas below us. So you can see the first support area is, of course, the area where we are approximately trading at the moment. I would say maybe even slightly lower because of our value area low. But losing the value area low is going to mean Most probably we are looking for a bigger push towards downside, at least towards the point of control, which you can see it's going to be approximately $26,000. That is why, as mentioned before, I am still holding a short or a sell position to potentially see if Bitcoin is going to see acceptance back in our horizontal range. But before right now, we do talk about some very interesting data that is right now coming into the market. Thank you very much if you smash the like button. And of course, if you also want to trade Bitcoin Ethereum with us, you can secure some limited time bonuses with the links down below in the description. Let's go right now on the 2-hourly time frame, because I would really like to share with you what has been happening with the money flow indicator right here. You're going to notice that we are back in the oversold area. Now let's go back in the past and see where this also happened before. We were oversold a couple ago when we were testing the bottom of our horizontal range, before Bitcoin actually got another very nice rotation back towards the upside. We were also oversold at this specific area where Bitcoin then a couple of days later got some kind of a very much choppy price action. So we can notice that in terms of or money flow indicator, we are being in the oversold area, which historically speaking, it has been some kind of a bullish Bitcoin indication. On top of that, as mentioned on the 30 minutes time frame, we are right now seeing a very small bullish CVD divergence higher low on the Bitcoin price itself. But here we are forming a very small lower low. That being said, we are seeing some absorption happening exactly at this specific area. It really looks like people are entering brand new short positions right here, but they're not able to push the price lower. So we are seeing some bullish indications in our order flow. We are seeing some bullish indications also on the 2-hourly time frame on our money flow indicator. But would I really go with a long or a buy position at this specific support area, knowing as mentioned before that SP 500 and also US 100 are trading at such a significant area of resistance? Most probably no, right? So I would say like that if there is going to be another push towards the upset on Bitcoin because of our bullish CVD divergence, because of our money flow indicator being right now in the oversold area right here, I would say we can be interested going with a short or a sell position. Again, I'm a short, but I'm going to look to add to my short position. EFON area of resistance is going to be tested. And here, pay attention to the daily level. Yesterday, we were mentioning if our daily candle is going to close red as it actually did a couple of hours ago, we are going to confirm a brand new daily high-term time frame area of resistance, $27,700. So if there is going to be another push toward the upside, we can also go with our Fibonacci from our swing high back to our swing low golden pocket exactly at our daily. So if there is a push towards the upset on the Bitcoin price in the upcoming hours and the upcoming days, we can be looking for a brand new short or a sell position simply targeting lower targets. Because as mentioned before, if our SP and our US 100 chart are going to see air ejection towards downside, most probably Bitcoin is also going to see acceptance back in our horizontal range. Now, if you do have a question, can I be looking to go with a short or a sell position already where we are at the moment? Yes, I would say you could be looking for a short. However, then in that case, your target needs to be slightly lower because, of course, your risk to reward ratio of the trade needs to be at least 2-to-1. So that being said, if you're looking for a short or a sell position already right now, make sure you do have a wider stop loss. And of course, your take profit area needs to be, in my opinion, approximately at the lows of our horizontal range. But I would say the best rank idea right now Bitcoin can be offered to us. If we are actually going to see another slight push towards the upside, retest our golden Fibonacci ratio because of the bullish CV divergence right here, and only then be looking to go with a brand new short or a sell position on the Bitcoin price. But as mentioned before, if we do see acceptance back in our horizontal range, if Bitcoin is going to start pulling back below our value area, high at $26,800, significant bearish Bitcoin indication, and only then we can be looking for much lower targets, maybe even in the upcoming hours. Thank you very much. If you right now smash up the like button, secure the limited time bonuses with the links below. Have a great day and peace out. Don't forget to joining to my Telegram channel and start trade like a professional with me. The link in the description below.